Hi everyone, I'm Carrie Legow. I'm one of the Autism Low Incidence Mentor Teachers with Richmond Public Schools. Today I'm going to do a lesson from the Unique Learning Systems program. It is lesson number 25 in the elementary school band. And we're going to talk about addition, subtraction, and grouping items together. So let's get started by showing you the addition sign. This is what the addition sign means. And addition means to add things together. Okay? Then we're going to talk about the subtraction sign, which is taking things away. But first, before we get started, we are going to talk about patterns. And the pictures in the patterns and the lesson today are all about musical instruments. Who can name a musical instrument? Let's think. I'm thinking of a drum. If you don't have a drum in your house, you can always get a pot and a spoon and tap it together and it's like a drum. That's going to be one of the pictures we see in our lesson today. So let's get started with some patterns. All right. On the screen, we see
tambourine,
tambourine,
tambourine, guitar,
guitar,
tambourine,
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 tambourine. So the pattern is tambourine, tambourine, guitar. Tambourine, tambourine, what comes next? Look down here. Who can point to what comes next? Tambourine, tambourine, guitar. Tambourine, tambourine. Point to what comes next. If you pointed to the guitar, you are right. Keyboard, drum, keyboard, drum, keyboard. What comes next? Let's hear them say it.
keyboard, drum, keyboard, drum, keyboard.
What comes next? Point to it down here. Keyboard, drum, keyboard, drum, keyboard. If you pointed to the drum, you are right. It's how you make different patterns. Cymbal, guitar, tambourine. Cymbal, guitar. What comes next?
Cymbal, guitar, tambourine, cymbal, guitar.
What comes next? Point to it. If you pointed to the cymbal, you are correct. All right, last one. This one's going to be easy. Drum, cymbal, cymbal, drum, cymbal. And what's next? Left. The cymbal. All right, that's how you do some patterns. Now we're going to use our patterns to add things together. Let's see. Here we go. All right, so we're going to add things together.
A plus B equals C.
All right, so they're saying A plus B equals C. Paige
plays one drum.
There's one drum. Drew, who is B.
Drew plays 3 drums.
1, 2, 3. And they play all of them together. How many do they play all together? So let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, who can find the 1? Point to the 1. That's pointing to the 1 and getting it. So 1
plus 3.
Find the 3. Point to it. That's the 3.
Equals.
1 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Who can find the number 4? Point to it. That's the number 4. One plus 3 equals 4. All right, let's try this one.
Paige counts 3 tambourines.
1, 2, 3.
Drew counts 5 tambourines.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
They count C altogether. How many do they count altogether?
Let's find out. Let's find the 3. Point to it. That's the 3. Plus, let's find the 5. That's the 5. Equals, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who can find the 8? Point to it. There's the 8. Nice job. All right, so let's try it with some things around the house that you can find to add. Let me make myself bigger so everybody can see me. All right, so getting these off. These are magnets I have here on my board. And these are magnets from around my house. So we're going to start with Paige had 1. Okay. And then, let me just see real quick. Here we go. Drew had 3. 1, 2, 3. So Paige had 1 and Drew had 3. If you add them all together, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. And that's how you can do it with some things around your house. Then Paige had 3 tambourines. 3. And Drew had 5. So Paige had 3 and Drew had 5. How many did they have all together? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. That's a pretty cool way to do things, do some addition with things around your house. All right, let's move on to the next page. We're going to talk about some subtraction. So this was the addition sign, meaning add it all together. Now we're going to do subtraction, which is taking things away. Okay. Here we go. Let's get it a little bigger so you can see it. All right. Let's hear what Paige and Drew have done with their instruments.
Paige has 10 keyboards. She puts away 8 keyboards.
All right, so Paige has 10 keyboards. All of these count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She puts away 8 of them. So she crossed off 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So that means how many are left? How many don't have a red X on them? Let's count them. 1, 2. Okay? So 10, which is all of them. Find the 10. Point to it. There it goes. 10
Minus
minus means take away. Let's find the 8.
8.
Find the 8. Point to it. Eight. There it goes. Equals. So she had 10. She took away 8. How many are left? 1, 2. Who can find the 2? Point to it. There's the number 2. If you pointed here, you got it right. So 10
minus
minus
8
equals
2.
2. All right, let's try this one.
Drew has 7 drums.
Let's count the drums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
He gives away 2 drums.
So he crossed off 2. So 7. Find the 7. 7
Minus
minus.
2.
Find the 2.
2
Equals. Let's see. Let's count how many. After he crossed off 2, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So who can touch the number 5? If you touch this number, that's the 5.
5. 7 minus 2 equals 5.
Nice job, everyone. And then again, you can do it with your magnets. So I'm going to take my 10 magnets, place them on my board so you can see them. All right, here we go. The first one was 10, take away 8. So we have 10 magnets. I'm going to make myself bigger. Here we go. Here we go. Ready? 10 magnets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it was 10, take away 2. So I'm going to take 2 away. 1, 2. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10, take away 2 equals 8. All right. Make myself a little smaller. Oh, that's okay. We did a different number, but they did 10 take away 8 equals 2. But let's do 7 minus 2 equals 5. 1. Let's get 7 magnets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, here we go. Sorry, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to take away 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 take away 2 equals 5. All right, here we go. Next page is a little tougher. All right, here we go. For those of you who have a keyboard, you can do this page with me. Okay?
Page has 10 keyboards.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
She puts away 8 keyboards.
Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then how many are left? So she has 10. Take away
Minus
8 equals
equals
how many left? 1, 2. 2. All right, let's do this one again. So A, right here, we're going to put that number down here.
Drew has 7 drums.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can find the 7 on your keyboard. Touch it. He gives away 2. So we're going to cross off 2 drums. 1, 2. And we're going to find the number 2 on our keyboard. Press it. All right, so in column C, how many are left? We're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 take away 2 equals 5. Nice job. All right, now we are going to do grouping things together. Oops. Right here. All right, so in these 2 circles, we're going to see how many symbols Drew has.
Drew has symbols. Put the symbols into 2 equal groups.
All right, so let's see how many symbols Drew has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so let's put 1 in one circle, 1 in the other circle. And we're going to put another one over here, and we're going to put another one over here. 1 more over here, and 1 more over here. So let's count how many are in each circle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So in this circle, there's 3.
3.
Who can find the 3? Point to it. There it is. Plus
Plus
1, 2, 3.
3.
Who can find the 3? Point to it. There's the 3. Now we have to add them all together because the plus sign means adding all together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who can find the 6? Point to it. There's the 6. So
3 plus 3 equals 6.
Okay, let's do the next sheet. All right. If you have a keyboard, again, you can do this one with me too. Okay, so we're going to put one drum over here, one drum in the middle, and one drum over here. Okay, let's put another drum over here, all the way over here. Whoops, let's move that apart a little bit so we can count it. There we go.
Drum.
Yeah, that is the drum. And one over here. So we're putting all the drums out in the circles. And each circle has the same amount of drums. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this circle has 3. Let's find the number, or type in the number 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Find the number 3 on your keyboard if you have a keyboard. 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we have to add them all together. See that plus sign right there? That means add all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Who can find the number 9 on their keyboard? There we go. Ready? 3
plus
3 plus 3 equals 9. Nice job, everybody. Let's try one more. This one gives us a little hint with the numbers down here. So it says to put 3 drums into this circle. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And into this circle, it says to put 3 drums. 1, 2, 3. And in this circle, we're going to put 3 drums. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals what?
Drums.
Yeah, we're going to find out. We're going to find how many drums. We have to count them all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
drum.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Who can find the number 9? Point to it. That's the number 9. Nice job. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. All right. You guys did a great job with me today. Here's one more. If you have a keyboard, we can do it together and see how it goes. Here we go. 1, guitar. We're going to put guitars in each circle. Okay. There. Now we put 1 guitar in each circle. Now we have to put 2 guitars in each circle. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, there's some more guitars, so let's add another one to each circle. That makes 3. There's 3. There's 3. There's 3. And there's 3. So we have 3 guitars in each circle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So in the first circle, we have to find the number 3 on our keyboard. Let's find it. Oops. There's more guitars. I thought it was blue. My fault. Let's add more. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. Now there's no more guitars. All right, now there's 4 guitars in each circle. 4 guitars in each circle. Find the number 4. There it is. Find the number 4. Keep pressing the number 4 because that's how many are in the circle. Uh-oh, now it doesn't have the plus sign anymore. That means equal, so we have to count them all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew, that's a lot of guitars. How do you make the number 20? If you know, point to